Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VDRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis, did it yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But want to get things updated here as the chart's at a very interesting spot from a technical perspective. And for those of you that have been watching the past videos, I'm sure you know what I'm getting at here. But that all revolves around this purple line, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, and is essentially the overall trend indicator, where if you want the chart, hey Clay, how are the bulls in full control? Can you measure that? Well, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. And as it stands right now, the bulls are certainly being tested. So the price is sitting right here at that area. So that's the big question going into tomorrow is, are the bulls going to be able to maintain the purple line, or is the price going to separate down through it? Now, if the price separates down through it, am I saying that that implies that the entire chart's ruined? I'm not saying that at all, because you still have the big brother of the purple line. You have the pink line down there, which is the 200-period simple moving average. Now, if the price comes down to the pink line and crashes through that and keeps going down, that's where the whole story, of the chart changes. But as it stands right now, the price is maintaining above the purple line. But if it does pull back, again, does the chart lose some attractiveness? Yes, it loses some attractiveness. Does it mean it's totally ruined? No, because again, you still have that pink line down below it. So big question, like I said, can the price maintain above that purple line, which is definitely now the key level of support? And if that doesn't hold, the next key level of support, pink line, which is the 200-period simple moving average. Now, the one update that does need to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's actually already happened. So for those of you that have watched the past videos, you hopefully remember me talking about 4 cents as a level of support, but after the price broke below it there, you can see price try to get above it there, rejected, and then this afternoon tried again to get above it and rejected. So I'm not saying 4 cents can't be broken, but apparently there are some sellers sitting up there, so that'll be the first hurdle to the bulls got to fight through, and then you can start to talk about the 5-cent level up there, but irrelevant to talk about 5 cents as resistance at this point in time until the price can first break above 4 cents. So all in all, the uptrend is still intact, but the bulls are being tested right now, so we'll see how they react to close out the week tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.